Okay, so let me start the conversation first. Okay, let the people join. I've just joined. I'm just checking the comment which I've put it in the comment box. Okay, so all my details are here, guys. You can like all the social media details I have mentioned in the comment. The first comment you will find will be mine, and you can connect with me on all social media platform. We are just waiting for the people whom are going to connect with us soon. So let's wait, then we are going to start today's session. So okay, as hey, hi Piyush, thank you for joining. We are just going to start the session soon. The topic of today's session is do more and be more. So uh, people are joining. Thank you so much, guys. You are all on time. So we are going to start the session soon. We just need to wait 2 to 3 minutes, then we are going to start it. Hope you are all safe. Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you so much for joining. We are soon going to start the session. You just need to wait a couple of minutes. Yeah. So meanwhile, you people can tell me how's life going on in lockdown. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Piyush. Hi, Himmat. How is your life going on in lockdown? What in near future? What you are going to do after lockdown? Okay. So people have joined. Meanwhile, let's start. The count has increased. So, very welcome everyone. This is Hamid Khan, motivational speaker and success coach. And guys, before starting the session, I just want to check. Hey, hi Piyush. I just want to check it out that uh, am I audible? My voice is clear to you. Is there any disturbance? Is there any glitch? Hey, hi Bhuvnesh. Thank you so much for joining. Am I audible to you guys? Just want to check before starting the sessions. Please comment me, write it down. If I'm audible to you, then we are good to start. I think I'm audible. That's why no one is complaining. So, guys, let's start today's session. As we know, our today's topic is do more, be more. Okay, I'm again repeating today's topic: do more, be more. So, before going to touch the topic, do more, be more, I would like to ask some questions. Okay, my first question is, what do you do when it seems impossible to you, like whatever work you want to do in your life? My second question is, what do you do when you don't know what to do in your life? Now my third question is, what do you do when you feel there is nothing left inside in your personal and professional lives? And okay, okay. And fourth question is, what do you do when you doubt everything, including yourself? So these are my four questions which you have to think. Guys, I don't know about you people, but majority, those who actually want to do something in their life. Okay, if I talk about myself also, I rise up. I rise up when I face these four challenging questions or situation. I rise up. And you also need to rise up. Now you will be thinking, what is the so whenever I talk about rise up, whenever I talk about rise up, I say you need to rise up from the negativity. You need to rise up, and you need to make yourself a person who can fight their problems. You need to find a way to make something happen. you need to find a way to learn how to get to the next level, even if that level is a tiny step. And you must take that step. You must take that step. You must take that first step. Now you will be thinking, what actually we can do this particular motivation and all, like rising up, how we can rise up. Sorry. So if I talk about myself, if I talk about me, like it's not about 85% people are living same life, like whatever problem is going on in your life and whatever problem is going on in my life, 85% we come in 85% category. So 85% people are living same life, but it's not about 50%, 15% are not same like us. 50% also living that life which we are living. They are also having same problem, but they know how to handle those problems. So being a self-talk specialist, I am also a self-talk specialist. I can help you to make your mind positive, and I can help you to make your dreams reality by just changing the words and thoughts which are going on and which are juggling in your mind. So what I do when I face these four challenging questions which I shared with you, I the self talk which I am going to share with you is, I say to myself, I am more than this. Yes, I'm again repeating it. I am more than this. I am more than this. Now, why I say this particular sentence, self talk, I am more than this, because it makes it boosts energy in me. I also say to myself, I've not got more because I was not hungry enough. Now I am hungry enough. Now I am more than hungry. I'm starving, so that I I must do it, and definitely I will do it. Nothing will stop me, because I will no longer stop myself. I'm more than this. I'm more than this. I'm more than this. So this is the self talk or self affirmations I give to myself to make my mindset positive, to make me energetic, to make me a person who can face the challenges, who can face all the problems, because problems will be there. If there is no problem in your life, that means you are just breathing, you are not living. Yes, you are just breathing. Only those people will face problems who actually trying to do something great in their lives, who actually trying to do something big in their lives, who are just sleeping in their bedrooms, who are just in comfort zone. They are not going to do anything big in their lives. So if you really want to do something big in your lives, then you'll have to come out of from your comfort zone. Now you also need to talk to yourself, tell yourself, I can. Everyone will think you are crazy, but who cares? Who cares? They will only think you are crazy until you start achieving all those things, everything which you have set out to achieve. And once you have got all those things which you dreamed, which you want to make your reality, then they will come to you and they will ask you for advice. How you have done it? How did you do that? So my dear friends, I always say, whenever you face these type of problems, whenever you face these type of setbacks in your life, you need to give these self affirmations to your mind, to make your subconscious so strong that it can help you to come out of that problem which you have been facing for long. So you need to tell to yourself, I can do this. I will do this. I can do this. I will do this. I am committed. I am disciplined. I will learn until I find a way. Okay, I'm repeating those self affirmations for you guys. I can do this. I will do this. I am committed. I am disciplined, and I will learn until I find a way. What learn? You are trying to, you are starving for a solution. You are trying to get the solution of your problem. See guys, so many people ask me what is success. I always say success is your desire, success is your prayer. Like whatever you want to fulfill, it is and once it is done, it is success. So if you are in a problem, that means it's not about money. It's if you do have a lot of money but you are facing a lot of challenges with your health, that means you are not successful in one particular direction or in one particular path. So what do you do? What do you need to do? You need to, you do have a desire, you do have a prayer which you want to fulfill, which you want to uh, which you want to be completed soon. And once it is done, you will be you will be feeling successful. So in this particular time, the time, negative time, or the setback which you have been facing for long, you need to say to yourself these self affirmations. And I can easily understand that it will not be easy. It will not be easy. Why it will not be easy? Bec- because it could, if it is easy, 85% will be living that life which have been lived by 15%. So it's, if it is not easy, it's a beauty, it is the best part. Very few people actually will do that particular thing, and you will be in the category of very few people. Yeah, only 10% people are living their dreams, only 10% people are living that life which actually they want to live. So when you find it hard enough, keep motivate yourself by saying these self affirmations, these self talks. I have more inside me. I have more inside me. I have strength inside me. I have strength inside me. I have courage inside me. I have courage inside me. I have it all. I have it all. I will get all. I will get all. So I'm repeating it for you guys. I have more than inside me. I have strength inside me. I have courage inside me. I have everything which I want. I have it all and I will get all. So if you will keep repeating these self affirmations and putting it into your subconscious mind, then your mind will work accordingly. Now if you are negative right now, your mind is negative, so it is unable to find the solutions, and you are creeping, why I am not getting those things which actually I want. But if you redirect your mind, if you redirect your mind to think of on the solution, then definitely it will provide you a solution. There is very good line which was in the movie Dil Dhadakne Do. दिल की सुनो, दिमाग अपने आप रास्ते निकाल लेगा. Yeah, you just need to listen to your heart, mind will find the way. I'm again repeating it. You just need to listen to your heart, mind will find the way. So this is the thing actually self affirmation does for you guys. Now my dear friends, whenever you are in any problem, keep these things in your mind which I'm going to share with you. You are more than your results. You are more than your results to this point in your life. Whatever problem you are facing right now, you are more than that. I am again repeating it. Whatever problems you are facing in your life right now, you are more than that. You decide what your future is going to be. Yes, whatever future you want from your life, you decide. When whatever time you are living right now, actually you have decided it. 90%, 90%. I'm not talking about the COVID-19. 10% like it happens, but 90% life which you have been living right now, it has been decided by you. And the future has nothing to do with your past. It is very true. Your future has nothing to do. It doesn't care about your past. It doesn't care about what you have done in your future. Your present could be related to your past, but your future is not going to like your future has nothing to do with your past. Your past doesn't decide your future. I'm again repeating it. Your past doesn't decide your future. I'm again repeating it. Your past doesn't decide your future. Your past is gone. It's time for you to decide. It's time for you to declare. So declare You are more. Declare you are more. Declare you have more inside you. Declare you have more inside you. Declare today that you are prepared to go through the mud to get to the next level. Whatever problems you are facing right now, it's okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. But you are going to do something great in your lives if you be positive, if you will be positive, and if you'll be having positive mindset. So guys, if you want to go, like if you are going through the darkness, it's okay. There will be a time when you will get the light. If you are going through the rain, there will be time that once uh, you will be seeing the shining sun. And if you are going through the hell right now, one day you will find the way to the heaven. So my dear friends, declare it now. Declare it now that you are more than that. Declare it now that you will do more in your life, surely. And declare it now that you will be more one day. So thank you guys. Thank you so much, because whatever I do and whatever I'm sharing with you guys, first I apply all those things on me. And once all these things provide results, yes, I always share those things which provide results to me. And it is miraculous. It is miraculous. These things are providing very big results in my life. Because when this lockdown had started, at the time I was thinking what I'm going to do, because daily I need to meet more than 40-50 people. But I had a positive mindset. So right now in this particular time, my work is double. There are a lot of online sessions I've been taking, there are a lot of online counselings I've been doing, there are a lot of online coaching I've been doing. Even I'm also doing a lot of motivational sessions online, just because my positive mindset. So if you also want great in your lives, if you also want to do big in your life, then you'll have to keep your mind positive. And once your mind is positive, you will surely get the positive results. So guys, that was from my end. If you want to ask any question, you can just write it down. All the details I have already given in this particular live sessions comment box. Just check all my details. And if you think you don't want to ask any question, then I have also shared my WhatsApp number. You can also WhatsApp me, and you can also write down. I will take only 2 questions, not more than that. If you ask any question right now, I will try my level best to find the solution on that particular question. And if you think you are hesitating to in asking the question, then you can write down your question on my WhatsApp number, or you can also DM or personal message to me. So guys, I will wait only for 1 minute. If you really want to ask anything, you can ask me anything. My details are also there. So let me thank all those who have just joined. Okay, Piyush, feel safe and advised to all stay home for the great victory against Corona. Yes, I always say, like, whatever, if you, Piyush, if you go through my all social media handles, you will find in every post, I always say, stay home, stay safe. Yes. So thank you so much for reminding me this thing again. So thank you so much, Govind, for watching. Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you, Samar. Hey, hi, Samar Malji. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Helmand Anway. Thank you, Kuldeep. Thank you, Simran. Thank you, Virendra. Hey, hi, Virendra. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Judy. Thank you, Pooja. So guys, I hope you like this session. And if you like this session, then you can also comment in my comment box. And please connect with me on my all social media handles. I have mentioned all the details in this comment box. And stay connected, stay motivated, stay successful with, and stay tuned with Hamid Motivation, because we can and we will. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.